Hello, welcome back to All Boy Toys, and this is an unboxing video of the Spider-Man No Way Home Deluxe edition of Doc Ock. But first, please, if you like all of my videos or some of my videos, click that like button or subscribe. That will really help me out. And here is the Doc Ock, wrapped in plastic. So really nice shiny box art. This is like a painting of Doc Ock, not the picture of the figure. And on the back, some of the pictures of the old Spider-Man movie from the I think Spider-Man 2. Oh, this actually has the Mickey logo, and this is a slip cover. Pull this up, and on the back it just says Doc Ock with a Spider-Man logo of the No Way Home. So Doc Ock comes with this well, looks three-dimensional, but it's not really three-dimensional, just the the way they printed this one. Actually cool. It's cool. It says Doc Ock here and also Doc Ock there. This is the stand, and of course you have this and this flexible dynamic backing. Just put that there so you can make him stand, and this will be on his waist area. I'll just talk about one of the tentacles because they're technically all the same. 4 tentacles, but I'll put the newer tentacles on him. So this is flexible. There's like multiple joints there, like Lego. And this one opens. This is plastic. Really feels plasticky though. But it's multiple jointed, which is good. And also close them up. There's like 3 joints each. So this is the original tentacle from the first movie. It's yellow. The second one has the reddish hue from the nanites of the Spider-Man suit, for Tony Stark's technology. And this attaches to the back of the belt. So quite long, flexible. There's 4 of them, and these are the second set of tentacles. So these are the newer set of tentacles that were shown in the new movie, or the Spider-Man No Way Home. Technically it's still the same. It still has 3 joints per tentacle, fully flexible, just different paint. And then there's this grooves here, still flexible like a Lego. And there's this other tentacle. There's 2 types of ends. This is the other end, which is not sharp, more like this is the foot part, and that one, the sharper one, is the hand part. So this is more for the ground part, but also flexible, 3 joints each. So there's 2 of these with the foot end, and 2 of the for the top part. So for the figure, it comes with this green goggles or green shades. There's a greenish hue, sharp pointy part. can attach it here. But I think I'll keep this hidden. I just don't want to damage this. But you attach this here, and it's quite sharp. But it's plastic, so it might break. So Dock Ock comes with extra pegs just in case you break them. 2 extra pegs. 2 open hands. I don't really see a point of changing the hands because, you know, I'll use the tentacles anyway to display him. 1 hand to grab onto the shades, I think. Just like that. Make him hold his glasses. And he has a pair of closed fist hands. Let's talk about the figure. So here's Dock Ock. A lot of people are commenting about the look of Alfred Molina here. He looks way younger, almost like he looks like a kid, a nerdy kid. Here there's some, it's actually a good take. It's not just like one whole piece. There's actually some hair sticking out in the middle here, which is good. I don't know, you'll be the judge about the likeness. So you can put these shades on. Glasses are usually quite delicate. There we go. Dock Ock. So the clothing here, there's 2. There's a leather inside, leather clothing. So if you want to just use that one. And this is the outer layer. Nice material that they use, really smooth, greenish material. Oh well, his Dock Ock, he needs a greenish costume. I'm not sure if the buttons will work, probably not, but this zip thing would work, but I don't see a point of putting that on. So the back, there's these holes here at the back for you to put the tentacles on. It goes all the way through the leather part. Articulation, yeah, really good articulation on the arms. You can swing it up, down, kind of limited. Flex the elbow area there. This can be flexed and rotated. Same as the other side. For torso, not much, but totally understandable because he needs his tentacles anyway, and he has this belt on. This is the belt that holds the tentacles. The technology used. For the legs, you can swing it out. Got a different movement there. He has these pockets that are attached, but not. I don't think you can open this one. You swing the legs forward, back a bit. You can bend the knee to that point. Ratcheted, but quite smooth. And of course, the foot. He has this nice boots on. Really tight joints, which is good because, you know, a lot of the figures, the foot part tends to be loose and it's hard to pose them to stand. This would just, let's see how to attach this. I don't know how I'll balance this one. I guess I will really need the stand for this. I wonder if I can make him stand with this one. I guess it will be so hard to balance this without the stand. If not, it will really be awkward and it will really take a lot of space. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe if you like the video, and feel free to watch my other videos. I really have to lift the camera up because there's no way I can take a video because my table is so short and the tentacles are really taking a lot of space. Anyway, thanks for watching.